To customize UI system appearance in POCO X8 Pro, first of all, as you can see right here in the settings, I have the default system appearance. To change it, we'll need to scroll down to personalization, and then we can enter the themes store right here. Now you will need to select the theme that you like and that has the specific UI. In this case, we can go for this one. As you can see, it's free one. We can download it. You should see a download button. I've already did download it. That's why I have apply and customize. Now we want to click on customize instead of applying, and then we can go for the option system. Then simply apply it. After all that, we can go back and open a settings where we'll find a different system UI appearance. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.